Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, August 27th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, this was absolutely the worst day of trading for us in 2013. We're at the end of the 8th month, and we finally hit rock bottom as far as having absolutely everything go against us. Starts out with some bad news. There's a lot of worry because of statements made in the White House and so on that we are going, the United States and its allies are going to be going to war in Syria. Syria, or rather war, has never been good for stocks. We do very good in peacetime, but war is not something that makes the stock market move positively, always negatively. And so it's no wonder the Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged 169 points today. Yesterday was a bad day. You know, if you watched my video from yesterday, we had about $8,000 negative trades, but I said we had 15 positions, and I said, you know, if the market really tanks today, we could see $8,000 negative go to $20,000 in closed out trades. Well, we almost made that mark, almost $18,000 in losing trades. So that was bad. It was about what I expected, but it was nevertheless bad. But what's really got my head spinning is I've often said in a down market, the main advantage of this system is we don't go buying a down market. And today, unfortunately, we got into 5 positions long, new positions of today. 4 out of 5 of them went bad, and 2 of them went terrible. Over $4,000 in open trade. So we are, not only did we lose nearly $18,000 today in closed trades, we are carrying negative $10,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow, and I don't know why we can expect that tomorrow's going to be any better than today. I mean, we could see that $10,000 go to $20,000 loss tomorrow. Terrible. I don't see anything coming good out of the trades we are holding. So this is a time when I look at our system and I say, absolutely nothing's working. This is horrible. Throw this thing in the trash can. I'm going on vacation. And I know it's really tempting to do that. I have been here before. I haven't been here this year, but I've been here before, and I know if you stick with this system, it will turn around. But this is terrible. This is very disheartening. I'm not happy, and all I can say is I hope that this thing turns around pretty quickly, and I also will be very happy when August comes to an end. Anyway, I'll show you the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and there's nothing here to show but a lot of blood. You can see here, of course, what happened yesterday. We started out positive. I thought maybe it was going to, but then we get the sell-off toward the end, closes almost on its low. I said yesterday this does not look good for today, and it certainly didn't look good for today. The market just tanked right out of the gate and kept moving lower and lower. There's no serious attempt at a rally at all at any place here, and this market ended up closing down 169 points. I will show you a couple trades. I'm kind of a masochist to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. This is my frustration, not only with the closeout trades, but the fact is we got into a couple really bad trades in Endeavor Silver and Velocity shares, both of which closed against us over $4,000. This is Endeavor Silver, and it gapped up this morning. You know, people are thinking war, invest in precious metals. I don't know exactly what spooked this market today, but we got in, you can see, almost near the high after 30 minutes, and then Endeavor Silver just continued to sell off, and we end up down over $4,000 in open trade on this market. So that's kind of sickening. I will show you the one and only decent market we have had in 2 days, and that is right here. This is in Unipixel, and you can see yesterday we bought this and it pretty much trended sideways. We had a nice big gap up with it, and you know, this is just more frustration. By first hour of the day, Unipixel is up over $4,000 in profit. That looks really good, but then just like everything else today, it fails, and we ended up getting out of this trade. Here we made $1,500 positive in Unipixel. That is the only trade in the last 2 days that has done anything for us. It's really sad. We've had a terrible day. God knows things got to get better. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday.